If a field repair is required, follow this procedure. Remove the actuator screw and the retainer set screw. Remove the refill screw. Fill the pocket with oil to prevent air from entering the system. Pump grease through the Alamite fitting to eliminate any air. Screw the fitting into the refill hole. Pump grease into the arbor until the piston pushes out. Replace the seal on the piston. Pay close attention that the seal is replaced exactly as it was found, with the lip seal toward the pressure. Insert the piston into the special application tube, which is specially designed not to cut the seal. Remove the fitting temporarily. Insert the application tube and push the piston into place inside the arbor. Replace the retaining set screw. Reinstall the fitting into the refill hole. Refill the arbor by pumping in grease. Remove the fitting. Replace the set screw. Replace the actuator screw. You should check the arbor for proper expansion. If this does not resolve your problem, consult with your Positrol representative or call us here at our Cincinnati headquarters.